Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this nice small rifle from Buck. I can't remember what it's called, but let's just start. So this is a small BB rifle. To load up the BBs, you take this flap and just push it up. It goes right down. So you push it up, get your BBs out. All you have to do is put them in that hole. Push it down. You can hear them shaking around in there. Then you take this, crank it. You don't crank it just halfway. You don't just crank it 3/4 of the way. You just crank it all the way until it can't go anymore. Then it's just really soft. And you push it all the way down. You can't keep cranking. It won't do anything. Then you push the safety till it's red. And then it's a nice impact, fast gun. Just shoot. Almost always right on target. If you already started shooting BB guns and stuff, and you're looking for a higher rank one, and say you're about like 10, 11, 12, and you want a nice small one, or any age, you want a nice small one, this could be a nice gun. You could get them in bigger forms, but this is just a nice size. You could almost get it anywhere. They're in a lot of stores, Walmart, Amazon, Buck. So, just a nice gun. If you really need this, then go for it. Hey guys, I'm showing you the 760 Pump Master today. It can hold 4.5mm BBs and pellets. For the BBs, you just take this, push it, put them right in there. For the pellets, pull this back, put them right in that. Then you have the safety. Really easy. Push back and forth. You have the red for fire. When you want to, I don't have any pellets to show you, but with the BBs, you can close this off, but to open it, you just push this back, and you make the BBs go forward. And you close it off again. You can see them in the top, right there. And this is magnetic, so you just pull this back, and you see a BB right there. If you push it, it's most likely going to go flying out. So just put it forward. You could pump this for really anything, but it's mostly 3, 6, and 10 or 10 pumps. The 10 is a really nice one. I'll show you that now. Has a force to it when you pump as you get more and more. Put it on fire and shoot. And there's smoke that comes out for the 10. And I'll show you 3. 3 isn't as powerful, as you probably know. So that was 3. Didn't have as much power, but it shoots really nice, even at 3 pumps. 10 probably has the most. I could show you 6. I'll just do that. Get the BB, and then still has a lot of power. When you shoot, it's just usually always straight, nice accuracy. It's just a really strong gun. people usually buy it when they're getting higher and higher in BB shooting. Good, nice target shooter, so if you're ever interested in a nice, good rifle, this is probably your gun. The 760 Pump Master.